guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw manga hands. Here we go. So these are going to be the guidelines. I'm going to introduce you 3 important, useful hand gesture. 1, yes, her hand is going to be open, maybe waving at you. That's the guideline. And then let's start from drawing from a wrist. Goes here, right? And then from here, bottom, what I want you to do is, here we go, thumb. Up, little line. Important part is this 1, 2, this sections, okay? Here we go like that. And then from here, go like this. And we're going to start drawing from an index finger. Here we go. Go like this. Inside of this half, what is it? Top of a hat. Top area, okay. But above this sideline, here, index, middle finger is going to be the longest, straight up, and ring finger, maybe length is going to be same as index finger. Then pinky here, pinky and ring finger, they're usually kind of close to each other. So that's why instead of like those two, they're slightly closer, right? Then go like this. From here, draw lines like that. And then this area is a little empty. So what I want you to do is draw lines kind of like this. Okay. Okay, so for the thumbs, we sort of like focus on just the 1, 2, right? This area. But when we kind of draw like 4 other rest of fingers, here 1, 2, those 2 joints, pretty much, right? Just don't worry about it. We're just gonna draw almost like a straight line, but then the top sort of was like a little like nicely round. That's about it. That's the easy way to draw. And then let's move to the second one, pointing out. Okay, so that's the guideline, and we're gonna start from drawing. Let's go actually from the top, index finger. From here, pointing up, okay, go like this, good. Then right here, it's gonna be thumb. So pretty much thumb is the one kind of making a decision in a way, even though index finger is the one who's pointing out, just because of the way a thumb is kind of a bending, laying everything. This kind of a side, up and side like this kind of a lines are important. And then go like this, wrist, here, like this. Okay, then here, let's start drawing the actual this wrist of a thumb, go like that. And if you can draw a little side line like this, that would be great. And outside of this guideline, you're gonna start drawing from index finger. Let's do more like that. Bent. And the rest of the last part of this index finger is behind this thumb, so we're not going to draw. But we're going to draw a little bit of like, just a little. Here, middle finger. And then you're going to draw tip of a middle finger, just a little. And then can you draw right next to it? It's going to be a ring finger. Okay. Pinky, maybe just a touch. And in this area, kind of like important. I want you to draw lines like this and more here, kind of like this. So we don't need to show everything, this here, you know what I mean, this inside of this part. But if you show a little like this line here, that's the important part. That would be great. Okay. And oh, you know what? Let's write it down what they are saying with this hand gesture. So this is, let's say, what's up in Japanese. Waving, saying what's up. We say genki. So here we go. I'm going to write it down. Oh, I'm going to write it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is ki. Genki means what's up and waving. This, she's saying this way, this way. So we say こっち. こっち means this way. So 1, 2, little tiny word. And 1, 2, looks like a number 5. こっち. And if we want to add a little bit of action lines like this, that would be good too. Okay, the last hand, sort of like a gesture, what I want to show you is just kind of a thinking. So her hand is going to be right behind this, chin, this area, resting. Kind of like this, okay? Alrighty, so that's the guideline. We're going to start drawing from, let's draw index finger. I'm going to draw a little longer to show you. So from a knuckle line goes up. This one we're going to show this 3, 1, 2. Yeah, pretty much this joint, okay? Here, kind of like that, right? Then rest of them, it's going to be more like a little sideway. Here, okay? And then ring finger, okay? And pinky. Ring finger is going to be a little bit shorter than middle finger, please. And the pinky is going to be shortest. Here, just like this, okay? Then you're going to draw here. Here we go. And wrist. And then behind this knuckle line, okay, we're going to do a thumb, kind of like a touching a chin, just a tiny bit. From here we go. Kind of like that. And if you want to, you can add a little bit, this kind of like this knuckle line, just a tiny bit right here. And then let's just draw it's better to draw a guideline with chin line. Here we go. And in Japanese, when we are thinking, kind of a like typical way to show someone's thinking, we say, kind of like that. So I'm going to write down, okay? Right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hyphen 1. So this is hu hyphen dot. Like that. Okay? Here we go. So let's slightly just erase the pencil line, and I want to add just a little bit of shadow with a pencil. Let's do it. If you love kawaii manga, you will love my new middle grade graphic novel, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. This time, main characters are twin sisters, Angie and Akira. They're going to travel to Japan with Bounce Back characters. They're going to explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. This fun adventure is packed with kawaii stuff, Japanese pop culture, friendship drama, and lots of excitement. Scan a QR code to pre-order your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so from here, just gonna be easy way. You're just gonna follow the palm, right? Palm. I think is that the right word in English? Along those palm lines, I'm going to add a little bit of shadow line here. Maybe just the beginning of this finger is coming out here. You know what I realized? I think this index finger is a little too short. I want to go a little bit longer. Sorry about that. Here. And if you want, little bit of smudge, just a touch, that would be great. And then this one, this inside of this area is a little in shadow. Thumb, bottom part is a shadow here. Shadow like this. And then maybe just a little bit of shadow. Kind of like this, okay? And then this one, thumb in shadow, right underneath index finger, a little bit of shadow, please. And little bit, rest of these 3 fingers, shadow here. Kind of like that, okay? So now each even here, the hand move looks pretty dramatic, right? That's how you draw. Good job. Ta-da! Here we go. We drew 3 different kinds of manga hands. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to draw more hand gestures, go check out my book, How to Draw Manga Characters. In the book, I'm introducing how to draw tons of other hand gestures too. Okay? I hope you like this video. Yeah, so don't forget to like this video. And yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!